is Zunaira and you're watching Blushing with Zunaira. And in today's video, I'm gonna teach you the prepositions with actions and with so many examples and also with sentence. So if you want to learn more, please keep watching my video from beginning till end. So let's get started. Our today's topic is prepositions. So what is prepositions? A preposition is a word or a group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, or location. So let's also take some examples, as we said. Some examples of preposition words are in, on, at, between, behind, under, near, in front of, beside, and inside. Let's also take some examples of sentences. The fruits are kept on the table. The preposition word is on. On. She climbed into the mountains. In this one, the preposition word is into. Into. I am at the train station. In this one, the preposition word is at. At. I am hiding under the bed. In this one, the preposition word is under. He is playing in front of the seesaw. So in this one, the preposition word is in front of. In front of. I'm near the coffee shop. I am near the coffee shop. In this one, the preposition word is near. Near. I'm sitting between the two girls. Here the preposition word is between. Between. She is in the kitchen. The preposition word is in. In. Let's move on to our action prepositions. So in the action prepositions, there are pictures drawn below, and we have there are some sentences below, and we have to find the preposition in it. The cat is on the table. So what is preposition in it? The preposition in it is on. On. The girl is standing in front of the door. In this one, what is the preposition word? The preposition word is in front of. And here, I am standing near the cafe. So, what is the preposition?